of Maryland, it's going to be 56 degrees, light rain slash thunderstorms, with the air quality 36, wind 12 miles per hour, humidity more than 70%, feels like 48 degrees, so that's 2 inches closer to 50 degrees. Visibility 9.90 mile, UV index just 1, pressure 29.68 inch, and finally with the dew point 2 inches closer to 50 degrees. With MSN Weather, they add yesterday's. So yesterday it was 61 degrees, mostly cloudy, and now it's going to be 56 degrees, light rain, and thunderstorms right here in the state of Maryland. So we are definitely back doing the YouTube recording weather and news, and even the YouTube recording videos that you just saw. We're still on season 10 right now. And I would like to thank everybody and each one of you all over the state of Maryland for watching the most 10 years of the YouTube recording special with these videos that we show, the most memorable videos that we got in the past 10 years. So that means a lot to everybody just like you. Keep it up. And you can also repeat as many season 10 videos as possible if you would like. Now here's the Doppler radar, which is in HD. So as you know, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be rain all over in the state of Maryland, which is in Garrett County, Allegheny County, Washington County, Carroll County, Frederick County, Harford County, Cecil, and so on. So let's just take a look. So we do have the rain are showing the moderate yellow, the light, and even right here, and also all over the state of Maryland. Besides that we show the list of these counties that you saw. So rain is going to be on the other side of Maryland, which is in Kent County, Prince George County, Queens Anne's County, even in Howard, Montgomery, Charles, and so on and so forth, showing the rain. So I want you, ladies and gentlemen, will stay. So I want you, ladies and gentlemen, to stay warm and dry as always. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with the wind showing the numbers, so we do have mostly of the 20s, with more than 10 showing in Cumberland, and that's it. So in the state of Maryland, we're showing the green. So 20 miles per hour in the BWI airport, and even in Baltimore. Frederick showing exactly the same thing, and so is Easton. Nearly 20, which is in Salisbury, Pocomoke City. With Lexington Park showing more than 20 degrees and even 21 in Hagerstown. So if we zoom in, as usual, which is in Hartford, Cecil, and Baltimore. We're going to get to Baltimore in just a moment. But first, I want you, ladies and gentlemen, to take a look at these Harford County and Cecil County that you just saw. So all over in Harford County and Cecil County, we're definitely showing nearly 20s. Showing Chestertown 20, Rock Hall 24. Now with Baltimore, showing with nearly 20 and even more than 20 even. In Garrett County, we're definitely showing with more than 10. Kent, Prince George, and Queens Anne's showing 20s and nearly 20s. Howard County and Montgomery County, we're definitely showing with 20s and nearly 20s. And of course, Ocean City showing 25 miles per hour. Now clouds. So since it's going to be rain, ladies and gentlemen, so we do have clouds. All right. So the clouds are going to be moving all over in the state of Maryland. So all day and all night is going to be clouds. Now with the humidity. Humidity, we're definitely showing a dark blue and light blue. The dark blue, we're definitely showing with nearly 100%. With the sky blue and light blue, whatever you want to call it, showing with 80%, 70%, and nearly 80% and nearly 90%. Now tomorrow on Thursday is going to be with nearly 100%, and don't forget about nearly 70%, which is in Cumberland, Hagerstown showing, and even Frederick showing more than 80%. In the meantime, showing with the sky blue with the nearly 100%. Now with the visibility, so we have different colors all over in the state of Maryland. We're going to start off with light purple. Light purple in Frederick showing 1 mile, and so is Cumberland. Red, Baltimore, Hagerstown showing with 2 mile and 3.30 mile. And so is Hartford and Cecil. The blue showing in Kent County and Cecil showing 4 mile. Little bit on the green showing with 8.85 and even with nearly 9.90. Easton showing 6.50 mile. With the gray in Ocean City, Salisbury, and Pocomoke City, we're definitely showing 18.80 mile and 19.60 mile. The sea level pressure that we're definitely showing, which is going to be nearly 30 inch. That's blue. Tomorrow is going to be another nearly 30 inch, which is 29.29 inch with these numbers. Now with the dew point, we're definitely showing the green. So with the green, we're definitely showing with the 50 degrees. So that's more than 50 degrees. The air quality that we're showing here, so 35 is going to be good with the air quality poses little or no health risks. You don't have to enjoy activities because it's going to be rain. Just ignore that. Because you cannot enjoy outdoor activities because it's going to be rain. Now the numbers. So in Baltimore with 35, Frederick the same thing. 36 in Cumberland, Easton. 37 in Lexington Park and Pocomoke City. Salisbury 39, Easton 36, and Hagerstown 33. With the pollen that we're showing here, so we're mostly on the moderate yellow, which is all over in these counties except Garrett and Allegheny. We're going to get to that in a moment. So the yellow showing with 30s, nearly 30s, more than 30s, more than 40s, and 40 between even, and that's it. And of course we do have moderate all over. Now if you live in Garrett and Allegheny County, you notice it's going to be low. So green is going to be low. Now temperatures are going to be a little warmer and cold, but unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be wet outside for today. Now temperatures are going to be on the 60s and on the 50s, with more than 50s, nearly 60s, and more than 60s. And of course with the precipitation, so in precipitation we do have the moderate rain, which is going to be today in Garrett County, Allegheny County, Washington County, Carroll County, Frederick County, Baltimore County, Cecil, and Hartford County. So the precipitation is going to be moving all over in the state of Maryland, going to be pushing through the Maryland side and on the ocean side, So it's going to be precipitation pushing through on the northeast side. So, all over in the state of Maryland, so we do have some are going to be on the more than 50s, nearly 60s, and more than 60s. Now, we're going to start off with more than 50s. Oakland, Cumberland, Hagerstown, and Westminster. And with nearly 60s, which is in Perryville, Frederick, and Annapolis. And on the 60s, Washington, D.C., Bel Air, Elkton, Rock Hall, and Easton. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we do have some are going to be on the heavy rain, some are going to be rain, wind, cloudy wind, and even cloudy. We're going to start off with the heavy rain. Heavy rain in Perryville and Cumberland. Cloudy and wind, Frederick, Oakland, Westminster, Washington, and Rock Hall. The only wind that you have is in Hagerstown. And even rain is going to be in Bel Air. That's the only place that we have rain. Cloudy in Annapolis, Elkton, and Easton. So with the sunrise, which is 6:33 a.m., 6:02 p.m., sunset. So we know today is going to be light rain around 58 degrees, so that's going to be nearly 60 degrees. And then tomorrow on Thursday is going to be mostly cloudy around 47 degrees. Now, as always, ladies and gentlemen, here's the rest of the forecast as usual. Friday, mostly sunny, 55 degrees. Saturday, mostly sunny, nearly 50 degrees. Sunday, 52 degrees, sunny. Monday, sunny around 60 degrees. Tuesday will be 69 degrees. And then next Wednesday will be 71 degrees, mostly sunny. So, I hope you ladies and gentlemen will have a great day as always. And we're going to be doing the YouTube recording news and weather on Sunday. And don't forget, normal YouTube recording videos, which is going to be animal videos, which is Tabby, cat, sitting, will be coming up at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. You don't want to miss that.